Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson. Today we are going to learn about introduction to radio waves. Radio waves are one of the most important types of electromagnetic waves used in communications. What are radio waves? Radio waves are electromagnetic waves that allows us to communicate without using wires. They travel very fast at the speed of light. Characteristics of radio waves. Radio waves have long wavelengths and a low frequency. Because of this, they can travel very long distance and even pass through buildings and holes. How radio waves works. A transmitter sends radio waves using an antenna. These waves move through the air and are received by another device, which converts them into sound or data. Uses of radio waves. Radio waves are used in many devices such as radios, televisions, mobile phones, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and satellites. Advantages of radio waves. Radio waves are very useful because they do not need cables, can cover wide areas, and allows fast communications. Simple examples of a radio waves. When you listen to FM radio, the station sends sound as a radio waves, and your radio receives it and convert it into sound. Summary. When you summarize today's lessons, to summarize, radio waves help us communicate wirelessly and are very important in our daily lives and modern technology. Thank you for watching this video. If you are like these lessons, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.